As a mom of 3 kids and a woman who started getting older, and as soon as I turned 40, I noticed that my weight started to creep up, and all the previous tricks that I used to use to keep it under control started to fail me, and my weight would go up and up. So I had to utilize all the resources I had as a physician to learn how to manage my weight by redistributing the proportions of the food I was eating. And there are 5 very important rules I learned about protein, and I'm going to share them with you on the next 5 slides. So stay with me.
Rule number 1 deals with overall protein you're going to eat in a day, which is your weight in kilograms multiplied by 0.8 to 2 grams of protein per day. Rule number 2 is not to exceed 30 to 40 grams of protein per meal, because anything extra will not really be absorbed by your body. And number 2 is not to eat it more frequently than every 3 hours. Again, your body needs time to absorb the protein. Rule number 3, do not assume all proteins are the same. Make sure you eat the protein that has all of the essential amino acids, and that tends to be animal protein. You can get all of the 9 essential amino acids from eating plant protein, but you might have to combine 2 different plant proteins in order to achieve the full bouquet of 9 essential amino acids. Rule 4, not all protein has the same bioavailability, which means the proportion of that protein you ate that will actually be absorbed and available to your muscles. Last but not least, rule number 5 is that you cannot store excess protein you eat. It will be either broken down and used as energy or stored as fat.
If you have any questions about the 5 slides we just went through, comment below, send me a DM, write a message, and I'll be happy to respond or make a whole post about whatever questions you might have. Give me some suggestions. I'm more than happy to explore it with you. I'm still struggling, but I'm learning how to manage it, and I'm keeping it under control.